This is Terry the Robot as of October 2015. I have to have him in this orientation to fit him on the screen. Looking closer at various elements. The quadrature encoder hooked up to an 8:1 ratio on the aluminium wheel. The new 10 foot-pound 20 amp stall current motors from Actiblonics. The second one thereof. 2 reasonable wattage LEDs for headlights, PWM controlled through Arduino or using ROS. Small 7-segment display readout showing main battery voltage. Connect for navigation. Custom board with 4 7-segment display. Displays the current compass heading of Terry. Main RGB dot matrix display for main display of what the current activity is. Specific Arduino for the pan tilt. This only controls rotation. Wires on the other side. Hooked up to this gear motor. Aluminium shaft on the gear motor is hollow. Slip ring attached here with custom 3D printed part. Wires coming out the base of the slip ring. Slip ring leads up the top past the tilt motor using the gearbox design from Servo City. At the top, this Arduino here is actually hooked up. The USB goes straight through that slip ring. Arduino USB is fine. USB 2 speeds are not fine through that quality of slip ring. That Arduino turns on and off these LED lights. Other wiring going through the slip ring includes the servo, including 6 volts. Toward the back, that particular pan tilt servo is run by the SSC32, which also runs 5 other servos on the claw at the back. EL wire wrapped around the end of the claw and doesn't interfere too much with the PWM signals. Little inverter to run the EL wire. This Uno here runs the current heading using this IMU in here. A little Arduino at the front controls some of the segments, 7-segment displays, and also PWMs, the headlights. This is my miscellaneous I/O MCU, all controlled through ROS. Motherboard is a quad-core Atom. Only 1 stick of memory at the moment. On-off switch hooked up at the front there. The tray below here contains the lithium polymer battery to run the actual main motors. At the back there's 8 AA batteries, which is used for running the claw and the pan tilt, various other motors and displays. 45 amp RoboClaw motor controller, 14 AWG cable, 12 AWG on upstream. I should really move that to 10. At the back here we have a little power rail running off the BEC, which runs the quad encoders. And that's a reasonable overview to begin with.